In today's video, I'm going to show you how to deactivate Shop Pay Accelerated Checkout on Shopify. Whether you're adjusting your checkout flow to better match your business strategy, testing different payment options, or you simply want more control over how customers complete their purchases, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. Customizing your checkout experience is an important part of running a successful store, so let's go through this together and make sure it's done the right way. First, open your Shopify admin dashboard and make sure you're logged into the correct store. From there, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen and click on Settings. This section is where Shopify keeps all the core controls for your store, so take your time and follow along carefully to avoid missing anything important. Next, inside the Settings menu, click on Payments. This page shows all the payment methods and gateways currently enabled on your store. Here, you'll see options like credit cards, wallets, and accelerated checkout methods. Look through the list until you find Shop Pay, which is Shopify's fast checkout option designed to speed things up for customers. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure you're logged in as the store owner or have full admin permissions, review your active payment methods beforehand, and understand how disabling Shop Pay may affect returning customers. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent confusion later. Once you locate Shop Pay, click on the Edit option next to it. This will open the detailed settings for Shop Pay. Inside this section, you'll see the option to deactivate Shop Pay Accelerated Checkout. Click on Deactivate and follow any confirmation prompts that appear to finalize the change. After that, you should be able to run your store's checkout using the standard Shopify checkout process without any interruptions. It's also a good idea to test your checkout afterward by adding a product to your cart. Taking this extra step ensures everything runs smoothly and gives you confidence that customers won't face any issues. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to deactivate Shop Pay Accelerated Checkout easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?